The Greeks, as well as the Etruscans and the Romans, used the compluvium in aristocratic residences to channel rainwater into the impluvium. This opening, located in the center of the domus, was initially used to vent the smoke from fires made in the homes. Over time, this opening grew in size, enhancing the lighting, room ventilation, and water collection carried out in the impluvium. This system not only reflected the technical sophistication of these cultures, but also underscored the importance of water as a central resource in domestic and ritual life. Compluvium House is the name of this house designed by Fran Silvestre Arquitects, inspired by the Roman compluvium, from Latin compluere equals to flow together, and pluvia equals rain. We can see it as an interpretation of this element. This central element, like the ancient domus, provides privacy from neighboring buildings while organizing the interior space. The interaction between the sleek interiors and the exterior is enriched by the presence of the sheet of water in the courtyard, which not only mitigates the hot, dry climate of Madrid and helps cool the house naturally, but also provides a visual and acoustic focal point for its residents. The architects strategically positioned this sheet of water to take advantage of the elevated views over the adjacent houses, offering a visual showcase of the open sky and natural elements, ultimately recalling the original functionality of the Roman compluvium. This space is like the atrium, which was the centerpiece of the house and usually had no external walls, lacking standard windows. Sunlight flooded into the atrium through the compluvium and reflected into the surrounding rooms. Fran Silvestre Architects based their project on the same type of plan and function, with the rooms of the house surrounding an open central courtyard. The atrium, in a layout reminiscent of the Tuscan atrium, without columns described by Vitruvius. The architects arranged the rooms and common areas around this impressive core, opening views toward the interior courtyard. The dual functionality of this design brings a sense of openness and spatial fluidity to the house without compromising its protected atmosphere. The house consists of a series of bright, almost staged rooms with essential lines. The flowing spaces stand out for their expansive white surfaces, the perfect, practically neutral backdrop for daily life. It is shielded from the prying eyes of neighbors, but the compluvium always keeps it visually connected to the outdoors. Here, we are placed in a well-lit and minimalist setting with a monochromatic palette. The void allows for a broad exterior space whose shadow evolves throughout the day. Compluvium House shows how we can look to the distant past and combine it with a contemporary formal language. It is a living environment created by leveraging construction principles invented thousands of years ago.